lalagyan ko ng pepper spray. And I have pasta going for the kids. Pagdating nila, ready na. May dala pang chili na nilagay. Bigay ng client niya. Tapos may mga wine pa. Dalawang bottles of wine. Yung chili, excited ako. Sana naman na. You need pink bubbles? Why? Why do you need pink bubbles, Kuya? Was it funny? Wasn't you wearing one? Why were you wearing pink bubbles, boys? He just said yeah. Why, Max? Oh, really? The blue one? It is a bit big. Well, maybe they can swap. I know. It's your thing. Kain tayo. Wala naman na. Dinner na niya to. Crunchy. Too hard for you. Hindi gusto niyo yung broccoli. Lagay ko kayo pa yun. Sabi din. Alam mo, kumain na to ng rice with egg. Meron na tira kanina. For that, yeah. Kasi habang nagluluto ako, hindi na siya makahintay talaga. So, kumain nila ng rice with egg. And then ngayon, kumakain ng pasta. Na nakatingin na naman sa bacon. You wanna go to Arlo?
Oh,
Favorite ko yan?
July 3rd, I am there. Oh, really? That's good. That's good. Good luck to your vacation
Where did you buy this steak, babe?
in Philippines.
Butcher? Good. Yeah.
July 3rd. Oh,
Yung dinner daw.
yeah, July 3rd is coming. That's really good. Hi, beautiful. Hello. Hello, hello. And thank you so much for watching my live stream. Yeah, it's about 10:30 midnight here in the Philippines. And I'm watching TV, my favorite video in YouTube.
Yummy, right? Just come back here if you need me. Yeah. Ah, you want smaller than that?
I don't know.
Okay. I've got small pieces here for you. How was yours swimming, beautiful? Good? Are you a really, really good swimmer now? Huh? You want to try and swim because you're too good? Daddy, she doesn't want to go swimming anymore. She's too good now. Is she too good? A big piece. What, baby? You can do everything with no help. But you know, swimming is very, very important, right? Do you? What?
Hello to 57 viewers. Welcome back to my live stream. And thank you so much for coming in my live stream.